I thought there was another one over there. No, it was the car headlights. And even in the rain, the bugs don't want to fuck off. Oh, that's the thing that got Lincoln hit in the leg a year ago. That misfired shit. Usually when it starts going up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bang, bing, bing, bada boom, bada bam, that's when it signifies the end of it. They usually go easy at first and then they go bam like Ken Schrader towards the end. Brook Park does that shit too. They also do the same pattern. They go easy like for most of it, the first and the middle part, but then the very end, they go bam like Ken Schrader, boom, 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 bam, bam, bam. Exactly what happened last year too, even though you guys sadly didn't get to see that. we still got to see him regardless. So that's a good thing. We had to come home early, but we still got to see him because we decided to stay out in the driveway and watch him. It makes it look like we're on Sandhurst again, which is exactly what we're going to be doing next Sunday when we're recording like episodes of the documentary called Brook Park, Sandhurst Stories. Well, last year's docuseries was called the Brook Park docuseries, the Sandhurst era, as in nostalgia is one hell of a drug. All right, hit me with your best shot. Like Haley Oranti would say when doing, Pat Benatar justice to prove that she's better. Exactly what we're doing. I think this is the Bam like Ken Schrader part. Well, it's warming up to get there. We're getting there. Looks that way. Love how we're live commentating this out loud with no shits given. That people think we're fucking crazy doing this shit by yourself. Oh my god, this is fucking awesome. Look at this. This is where it starts going Bam like Ken Schrader. Oh man. Come on. More. That a boy. Give us some more. Dame más. Dame más. Means give me more, baby. Give me more. Dame más. Dame más. Dame la libertad. Más. Para traer tu alma, sienta soñar. Más. Suelta la piel trae control. Mueve su cuerpo con sabor. No dale, no quiera de bailar, que la vida es una fiesta, goza. Come on, we want more. All right, here we go. Still going. Well, maybe not. Never mind, we got more. Oh, here comes a big one. Oh, the big one. Well, maybe for like a split second or two. Oh my god, you just keep going. Well, if I was down there, then maybe I wouldn't be bitching so much because I would see how they're actually doing this. Oh, come on. This is a big one. I thought this was going to be canceled because of the rain. But no, it felt like I was a kid again, running around in the wet rain and getting in the pool and going down the slide. Brought back old memories of the Lenore house in Michigan. Hell, Sandhurst house in Brook Park, and even West 122nd as well. This does bring back a lot of memories, but not just the fireworks, but the water too. Lenore, Sandhurst, and even West 122nd. It really does bring back a lot of memories. I'm glad we were able to YouTube it this year, even if it was only bits and pieces and not the whole thing like 2 years ago. Except 2 years ago, we had to miss the whole thing. But this year, even though we're not like close in the vicinity with everybody, we still got to see it regardless. How appropriate. Now that we're like halfway in the garage, we got the American flag, you know, withholding it. That makes it more appropriate. It actually makes more sense that way. You know what I mean? This is nice. This is really, really nice, my boy. At least we're not going to get a misfired firework this year. And sadly, no TikTok dances were done on this day, shockingly. Even though me and Tori Siggers almost got one done. But we'll do some at home days next Sunday. I promise you that. Because we're still at the halfway point of the season 4 Fun in the Sun, aka the 2024 Sandy Ridge Redemption. Even with all this rain, you know, this 4th of July is living up to is adding to the like the hype it's living up to. We ended up getting a pretty good amount, I guess. We sure did. Oh, this is when it starts going bam, I think. I have to remember the pattern and how they do it. There we go. Hold on. I don't think we're done yet. Champion Chuck has got some fireworks coming down towards the turn 4 end, but Champion Chuck's fireworks are the least of my concern. He was supposed to be at the block party today, and he never even showed up, and I don't understand why. Oh, the garage light shut off. I don't care. We have to do this another week in a row next week. Come on, baby. This is where it starts getting exciting. When they light it up over and over like this. Oh, yeah. Come on. Okay, this is where it gets good. Should we turn on the light? I really don't give a shit. You can keep that off. We're getting blown the fuck up in this bitch. I decided to say, fuck it, why not turn the lights on? God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. We haven't got to the Bam Like Ken Schrader part yet. We haven't got there yet. Even though it looks like every time it looks like that every time it looks like we're gonna get there, but it's like they give us a sense of false hope. Oh, here we go. There you go, baby. Come on, this better be Bam Like Ken Schrader part. Number 49, Bam Racing Dodge. Look at the flight piece of debris going that way. There's going to be a lot of debris to clean up tomorrow morning going into midday afternoon. Some of us will be out here cleaning this shit up, while some of us will be like sleeping in bed with a hangover. You're damn right. Come on, baby. Show us what you got. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hit it hard. That might be the end. Man, they do a long-ass pause. I know they do. They do the longest pauses. The whole front straightaway is covered in smoke between what's going on in turns 1 and 2 and Champion Chuck over down coming off turn 4. The whole straightaway is covered in smoke. Come on, yes, yes. They keep cheering after every big one, thinking it's having us thinking it's the end. A lot of things giving us false hope. I know. Okay, there was more. I wasn't looking, and then I heard I'm like, oh shit. Oh, come on, we want more. Oh my god, are you gonna make a big, pile them all up at once and make a big ball explosion? No. I don't think that's how fireworks work, bud. This is fucking awesome. Even with all this rain, it didn't fucking stop us. Made us feel like we were kids again. I can hear big ones behind the back straightaway. See what I mean? You were careful with the clips, the videos you recorded tonight, and didn't really do all that much. I'm proud of you. Hopefully next year we can replicate this and make it even better. We're season 5 of Fun in the Sun. Champion Chuck has got his in the background. But as I always say to you, the audience here on my YouTube and my TikTok, be careful what you wish for because you just might get it. This fireworks going off at Champion Chuck's coming off turn 4. This fireworks going off behind the back straightaway. This fireworks going off behind turn 3. Not just the ones in turns 1 and 2. They are everywhere tonight. The 2024 Sandy Ridge Redemption is really living up to the hype, for real. I think this is the part where they go crazy and then it comes to an end. I could be mistaken, but notice how I hold accountability for, like, making sure, I'm not giving false hope that it may be the end, because what if it's not? We'll know for sure when it's the end. No, this isn't over. Stop cheering over there in turn 1. gonna get a big bam like we do in Brook Park to end it. They're going that way now. Wait, is that the end? Oh, they're going all the way up the street. Oh, okay. Don't worry about the fucking bugs. Just watch the goddamn fireworks. Just don't get the address either. That looks like a rocket going into the sky. But no, not just one rocket. It's more than one, if anything. Oh, they're the ones going towards the Crops of Doom, which is why Lincoln got hit in the leg last year. Yeah, because one of them misfired. That's why. See, like that. I mean, that just goes to show you no place is safe, whether it be from real fireworks or just the debris. Even though the debris is just like the lesser of two evils, that shit doesn't hurt, but that still feels very uncomfortable. Good thing I'm not over there now, because guess what? I'd be like, please don't hit me. I always went up to say that this year. Is that it? Anyone? I just ran into Officer John and his wife and kids. He said it might be over, but I'm going to record these just to be on the safe side. Well, so much for that, I guess.